unboxing, and everything is a little new and different, but I'm gonna make the best of it. Today I've ordered a plant from Plantdynasty, and this plant I've been wanting for a very long time. Even tried to find it on strange websites, and I trusted Plantdynasty better than the other sites I've tried. So it's in here and I'm gonna open it. So I'm still very new and I have about 50 plants in my collection, which will be even more as of today. And we're gonna see how. The box is taped very well. The shipping took for like three to 2 days, so that's really good. Let me see. Am I forgetting something? Maybe. I'm very excited. Kidding. Yes. Okay, I got it open. Oh, I cannot see it yet. So this is what I see opening the box. Turn it so you can see what I'm doing. So they take down the trellis that they use to hold the plant up. Alright. So here's my order amount. Alright. Time to see what the plant looks like. Oh my god, I cannot wait. It is taped to not move, which is good. So, oh man, I'm so excited. The heat pack is still warm. I did order heat pack because it's around 10 degrees Celsius in Holland. So they take the plant down on all sides, so it definitely hasn't moved. There's no dirt in the package. Alright. Time for the big reveal. Oh my god. Oh shit. So it looks really good. It has these beautiful leaves. Oh my god. It's so cool. I'm shaking. Damn. Okay. Let me tell you a little backstory. So I've been looking on many websites to see if they sold this plant, and I ordered from a really bad web shop. They did refund my my money on time, and then Plantdynasty sold this one. But the reason that it was less money than they normally ask, like 70 euros, I got this for like 30 euros less, I think, if I'm doing the math correctly. And I got so much money off just because in the description of the plant they said that the leaves were a little bit damaged, and I thought that I don't care if the next leaf comes through, and then I'll chop the old leaves off. In general, this plant looks very good, very healthy. So I'm very happy. Thank you, Plantdynasty, for the really good order, and I'll probably order from you again. Now I'm gonna go, and you all have a really good day. See you.